How to change Cash App from business account to personal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Cash App from business account back to personal account. Now the only way to do so is to submit a request. If you're on the app, you can see here how to contact Cash App support from the app. Tap the profile icon in Cash App, then select support and select start a chat and send a message. Now you'll have to send a message here. You can see here it's guiding you right away. What you'll have to do is you'll have to send a chat, and there you'll have to describe your issue. On the issue, what you'll have to say is you can write in, I mistakenly switched my account from personal account to business account, so I want it to back to personal account. So once you do this, Cash App will verify it. Now it might take a couple of days, and until they get back to you, you won't be able to do anything. So all you have to do is you'll have to wait. So you'll just have to contact the support, and from there you'll have to tell them your issue, and you might have to wait until they get back to you, and only they will be able to help you get back to your personal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.